have this one.
Okay.
This one's my favorite. I used to play with this one all the time. Woo! Sometimes I get to play with anymore. So in the meantime, it's only one more. It's only one blue. What is that?
What is that?
I can't. This is my Numberblocks.
Whose birthday, Babacito?
Mine. And look at this one. The one. And look at 2, 3, 4. Ooh. 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 Wow. Look at this present. I need a little help. Can't see fun anywhere. I can't see fun. 5,
But you only have 1 through 4, because how old are you?
4. Hey, look at that one. He only has 1 eye. Mommy, which red Numberblocks has? Mommy, can I
Your
open this one?
balloons.
Can I open it?
Yeah.
I need a little help. What? Not a can. Not an Oreo mini. What? Not a can. Look at this one. This one's pretty cool. Oh, and it's heavy.
That one your cousins gave you, Joey and Emilio.
Ooh. Get the ball. Now, Mommy, this birthday thing is so heavy. I need a little help. Sorry.
Excited, bye.
What is it? Oh, what's a gap? And another tropical thing to it. What?
What is it?
It's a control martial lighting watch.
You open it right here. Right here. Open it, honey. Like this.
Look at that one. This one is so cool. No way. What? 1, 2, 3, 4. HAPPYRTHAY. What does that spell?
What does it spell?
Happy birthday!
And whose birthday is it today?
Mine! Ooh, look at this one. Let's go. Hey, Mommy, can you open this one?
Okay, here you go.
What is
Here,
it gonna
open
be?
it.
What is it gonna be? What is it? What? What? Look at this. Ooh. How about this one?
Okay.
Take the green bow off. And see what is inside. What's inside? What's inside?
Here, you help me.
What? What is it? What is it? Dad's gonna say what? What and Dad's gonna say what? 1, 2, 3, 4. That's 9. What? Hey, look at that one.
What does it say?
I love my daddy.
Oh, it's a cute book.
Beach ray.
Mm.
We should play with it.
Yeah?
Let's play with it.
Okay. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you.
Yeah!
Ay, mi amor, te amo. But do you like your cupcakes? You're not gonna eat them yet, okay? What do you think of your cupcakes?
Good.
Did you see what kind of birthday party you're having? What?
I have 4 birthdays.
Yeah, but what?
Number one.
Oh my good. Yummy? Uy, precioso, te amo. Look at mommy. Now a bit too?
Can you open this bag?
Which one do you think that one is? I think this one's this. I think you want to pick something else.
No, how about this one?
Okay, so it's this one, okay?
Okay. It's a world map puzzle. I just picked a world map puzzle.
Good job, honey.
There are no puzzles. There's 0 puzzles.
Okay, here you go. Okay, go.
I need a little help.
Okay. No, you don't. You got this, baby. Wow, what is that?
It's sunscreen.
Are you sure?
No, it's not. It like toothpaste.
And who likes toothpaste?
Me. And one more present.
Okay, one more. That's it.
Get the bowl up.
Okay.
Let's see what's inside. The book. It's a book.
What does it say? What title in the front?
It's a belly button book. What is it? What is it? What is it? It's a Holly's Bush Buddies. Look at it. This one doesn't fit.
No?
It doesn't fit.
Let's see what else goes in there. Put something like this.
Oh, how about like this?
Oh, look at this one. Oh, there we go. How about you look for something green? Oh,
Okay.
look at that.
Doesn't fit.
No?
Oh yeah, that does. There.
Okay, go ahead, open it.
How about this one? What? Magnet build
How many pieces is that?
100. Where can I play with it?
What is it?
Magnet build.
Magnet build? Let me see, turn it around. Wow.
I want to play with it. Mommy, open it.
Well, wait a minute, what's your other present?
A play mat.
Play mat?
Uh-huh.
Oh, yeah.
It's for coloring and doing activities, huh?
Yes, it is.
Wow.
It can become a masterpiece.
A masterpiece?
It can become a masterpiece.
Ooh, that's pretty cool, huh?
Mommy, look at what does it say here. Birthday, birthday.
Close your eyes.
Yeah, close your eyes. I'm gonna open it, but close your eyes. Okay, don't look.
What?
Turn the light on.
What is it? What? What is it?
So you get in there and you jump around. It's like a bounce house.
Oh! Like a bounce house.
Ooh.
This is so much fun.
Wow.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh.
I like this. I like this bounce house.
Yeah, maybe we could like fill it with some balloons or balls in there so you can play.
Daddy, you can fill it with some balloons.
Ooh, yeah, maybe we will fill it with some balloons, huh?
Okay, but okay.
I'm gonna get you some balloons, okay?
Okay. I love this, Mommy. I love this bounce house.
Yeah, baby.
Yes, I can jump. I can. The best way. Oh. Yeah. I can blow up.
Huh? Let me get you some more.
Okay. Oh. Then. It's not bouncy enough. See? Whoa. Whoa, my arm's gonna fall there. You can build it and pop it. Hey, look it. There's some Fisher Price flags. Right here and right here.
Mm-hmm.
Right. Whoa. It's so much fun bouncing. It's not bouncy. Daddy, I want a lot. Yes, I want a lot of balloons. Oh,